I'm back! Mike Foster here. Another one of my perfect egg videos. This one is a perfect omelet.
I can see the darkness in me and it's quite amazing. Life and death is no mystery and I want to taste it. Step aside of my
It's going to be easy and it's going to be perfect. Check it out. And then you beat and beat and beat.
my faith, they say analyze my demise, I say I'm super anxious. Recognize I deprive this feeling, then embrace it. Vandalizing these walls only if they can talk. Conversations on contemplate to my dark thoughts. Looking down on my soul now. Tell me I'm in control now. Tell me I
Okay, we start by cracking 3. These are large organic eggs into this bowl. Okay, nothing else except for eggs, 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 eggs. I bet you it tastes good. Oh, creamy. We're adding the olive oil. This cooked without getting all brown like some omelets. And the cheese was added right at the end. Oh, perfect. Another perfect egg recipe.